Hello and welcome. For today, we are also discussing this. We are going to discuss the self-assessment questions. Self-assessment questions for research method. ሪሰርች ሜትድ ላይ ከቨር ያደረኳቸው እስካሁን ከቨር ያደረኳቸውን ኮንተንቶች ላይ አልፎ አልፎ ጥያቄዎችን አውጥቻለሁኝ። እነሱን ጥያቄዎች እዩዋቸው፣ መልሶቹም እዛው ላይ ያሉ እዩዋቸው። ከጠቀሟችሁ ሊጠቅሟችሁ ይችላሉ ብዬ አስባለሁ። Self-assessment questions for research method. These questions are developed based on Bloom's taxonomy, the knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. So this classification of research, steps in research process, these sampling techniques, probability, non-probability sampling, types of data collection instruments. An example of this knowledge level question is, which of the following is an example of applied research? A study on the behavior of elections in a vacuum. This study, for instance, a study to develop a new teaching strategy for high school math. An investigation into the structure of DNA, a theoretical analysis of consumer behavior. So a study to develop new teaching strategies is an example of applied research. Comprehension level, how does basic research differ from research, this applied research? Basic research or fundamental research differ from applied research. Basic research is usually done for commercial purpose. So the answer is basic research seeks to advance knowledge, while applied research aims to solve practical problems. Application level questions are, for instance, a researcher wants to understand how remote learning impacts student motivation in rural schools. Which type of research should they use? What is the first step in the research process? A student skips the literature review and starts collecting data. What potential issues might arise? Which of the following best demonstrates integrating all research steps into a coherent process? Which of the following is a probability sampling technique? Why is probability sampling preferred in quantitative research? A researcher divides a population into male and female groups, then randomly selects participants from each. What's the technique? Which of the following is a primary data collection instrument? What is the primary purpose of a questionnaire in data collection? A researcher uses a Likert scale to measure attitude towards climate change. What type of data collection instrument is being used? Which instrument is best for collecting in-depth personal experience? You are evaluating two tools. One yields rich narrative data, the other yields fast numerical data. How do you decide which to use? Thank you.